Good morning, student. I am Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today, our topic is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In previous classes, you study about motion and distance, and today I describe the following topics: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Second point is measuring the rate of motion. Third point is average speed equal to total distance travel by total time. Fourth point displacement, and fifth point scalar and vector quantities. So first I explain the topic of uniform motion. Uniform motion is any object. Uniform motion means any object travel definite interval in definite times. Means particular object travel by definite distance in definite time interval. If any object travel 5 meter to 10 meter in 10 minutes, so next 5 meter travel in also 10 minutes or in 5 minutes. That is uniform motion. And another topic is non-uniform motion. When object is not travel in definite distance, definite time interval, then that is non-uniform motion. Say to any object travel 5 meter in 5 seconds, so next 5 meter travel in 10 seconds, that is indefinite, means non-uniform motion. And uniform motion, definite time interval, 5 meter travel in 5 seconds, next 5 meter travel in also 5 seconds, so that is definite. And non-definite means uniform motion, definite time interval in definite distance travel, non-uniform motion, indefinite distance travel in indefinite time, that is non-uniform motion and uniform motion. Okay. Next point is measuring the rate of motion. Measuring the rate of motion. If any object travel 5 meter in 1 minute, 10 meter in 2 minutes, 50 meter in 30 minutes, so that is average time, average distance, total path length, total distance travel in total time. That is rate. Means one object travel one place to another places in 1 hour, and that places to another places in 3 hours. So that travel mode is average time, that is rate. How to reaches one position to another position, that time duration, total distance, that is rate. So it is again the rate of change with respect to time, that is average speed, total distance traveled by any object, that is divided by total time, that is average speed. So such object is average speed is find out total distance traveled by that object and divided by total time taken by that object, that is average speed. It is denoted by average speed. Speed is denoted by V, and distance is traveled by, distance is denoted by S, and time is also denoted by T. So V is equal to SYT. Another topic is displacement. What is displacement? Displacement, any object travel one position to another position, one position to another position, that is total distance, and shortest distance is that is displacement. That object travel by the shortest distance, that is displacement. So I explain you. So one person that is reference frame, that point x-axis, x dash y-axis and y dash axis. If a object travel O point to that point to move reaches at a point, so that is travel that object that point to that point, that point to A1 point, A2 point and A3 point. So many points and so many places are traveled. That is total path length. That is total path length. And distance, that is total path length is distance, total path length is distance, and that is the shortest distance, O to A point, that is shortest distance, that is displacement, shortest distance traveled by the object, that is displacement. A speed is a scalar quantity and displacement is vector quantity, because a speed in no direction, only magnitude, but displacement in magnitude and direction both are, so that is vector quantity. And next topic is a scalar, vector and tensor. What is a scalar quantity? A scalar quantity in only magnitude, no direction and algebraic sum, that is a scalar quantity. Vector quantity is magnitude and direction and algebraic and vector sum, that is vector quantity. And a scalar quantity only magnitude and algebraic sum, but in vector quantity magnitude and direction both and vector sum, that is vector quantity. Another is tensor quantity, when magnitude and direction both are, but that are in algebraic sum, so that is tensor quantity. Okay, thank you.